Now measures of skewness. For measure of skewness, to find out the nature, whether it is a positive or a negative, or in which extent skewness is there. So we used to calculate measure of skewness. ठीक है, मेजर ऑफ स्क्यूनेस जो है दो तरीके से होते हैं, दो टाइप्स हैं, एब्सोल्यूट मेजर्स एंड रिलेटिव मेजर्स. Absolute measures, three formulas you are seeing here. Skewness is equal to mean minus mode, skewness is equal to 3 mean minus median, or skewness is equal to quartile 3 plus quartile 1, yani upper quartile plus lower quartile minus twice of median. So these three formulas you are seeing. अब इन्हीं फॉर्मूले के अकॉर्डिंगली जो है हम लोग मेजर ऑफ स्क्यूनेस जो है वो कैलकुलेट करते हैं. ठीक है, और इसी में ही एब्सोल्यूट मेजर्स जो हैं वो ज़्यादा पॉपुलर नहीं रहे, उनमें बहुत कमियां पाई गई. तो एब्सोल्यूट मेजर जो थे वो ज़्यादा दे आर नॉट सो यूज़फुल. तो आफ्टर दैट रिलेटिव मेजर्स को यूज़ किया गया, और वो रिलेटिव मेजर्स जो थे वो ज़्यादा यूज़फुल थे finding out the extent of the skewness. ठीक है, in relative measures we used to find out the coefficient of skewness, and you have seen in this chapter whatever you are calculating coefficient also you are calculating by that formula. By using the formula you are also calculating coefficient of anything, mean deviation, range, standard deviation, quartile deviation, whatever you have read, you have also find out coefficient. Similarly, by using relative measure, we can find out the coefficient of skewness, and these relative measures are given by two statisticians. They were Carl Pearson and Pauli. Okay, Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness and Pauli coefficient of skewness. This is known as Carl Pearson's skewness is known as first measure, and Pauli's is known as the second measure of the skewness. ठीक है, now ये जो फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला है, फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड फॉर्मूला डिपेंड्स ऑन द Carl Pearson's skewness, that is first measure, and the quartile Q3, Q2 minus 2m, which you are seeing, this is the second measure which is related to the Pauli. ठीक है, Pauli have taken by using quartile and median. He has explained skewness, and Carl Pearson has taken mean, median, mode. In first formula, you are seeing mean minus mode is equal to skewness. When mode is not clear to you, then you can apply the second formula, that is skewness is equal to 3 mean minus median. This formula you will apply then only when mode is not clear to you. If mode is given, mean is given, then you can apply the first formula. If mode is not mentioned there, or mode is not clear to you, then you can apply by using the median. And this is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m related to the second measure of the skewness. Okay, and this you know, when everything is equal, then there will be no skewness. When it is greater, then there will be positive skewness. If it is lesser, then there will be the negative skewness. If mean and mode you are taking, then see the comparison. Okay, when quartile and median you are taking, you can see the comparison. Okay, upper quartile formula, third formula के accordingly, when quartiles and median your comparison, when it is equal, then no skewness. If it is greater, then positive. If it is lesser, then negative skewness. Similarly, in mean median mode you are taking, if it is equal, no skewness, greater positive, lesser negative. इतना आपको अभी तक समझ में आ गया होगा. ओके, और दिस ऑलरेडी आई हैव टोल्ड यू दीज ऑल द थिंग्स. नाउ रिलेटिव मेजर्स में आपको मैंने बता ही दिया, कार्ल पियर्सन है और बाउले है. इनका फॉर्मूला जो है आप देख लीजिए. कार्ल पियर्सन्स कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ स्क्यूनेस, जस्ट नाउ आई हैव टोल्ड यू. मीन और मोड और मीडियन लेके चलते हैं, वो फर्स्ट सेकंड फॉर्मूला. स्क्यूनेस का सिंबल है स्मॉल g. ठीक है, कार्ल पियर्सन्स मीन माइनस मोड डिवाइडेड बाय ST, and if your mode is not clear, then you will take 3 mean minus median divided by ST. ठीक है, this is the formula given by the Carl Pearson coefficient of skewness. coefficient of skewness we are saying, that's why we are dividing by ST. Okay. This is also formula by taking mean deviation. Same formula is there. Okay. Only division is by the mean deviation. Clear? Now you can see Carl Pearson's, now Bowley's formula. Just now I have told you Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m. Third formula which I have shown you. और जब कोएफिशिएंट निकालोगे तो Q3 minus Q1 से डिवाइड कर दोगे. ठीक है. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ बाउले. ठीक है. समझ में आ गया. ये आपका कोएफिशिएंट का फॉर्मूला है. This is given by Bowley. These two measures you have to calculate by the calculation point of view and numerical point of view. For absolute measure, relative measures,